Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a focused workspace in Apple Notes so you can capture and retrieve information fast. Open Notes, make a folder per subject, and create a reusable template with objectives, key terms, summary, and action items. Once done, enable iCloud Sync to keep device copies current. This reduces searching later and ensures you always study the right version. So make sure to verify sync after creating the template and before importing any materials. Now you focus on how to capture and structure content so studying becomes active. Clip articles, PDF, and images into the right subject folder, then annotate inline. Use Apple Pencil for diagrams or type concise summaries beside highlights. Create checklist items for tasks and convert key headings into flashcard-style questions to test recall. Once you tag notes with subject and topic keywords and pin high-priority notes, you can filter quickly and maintain spaced repetition without duplicating effort. Finish by turning notes into a repeatable study routine and securing backups. Schedule reviews with smart folders and calendar reminders, then export important notes as PDFs for offline study or sharing. Compress large images before exporting to save space. If something goes wrong, sync errors happen. Toggle iCloud Notes off and on, sign out and back into iCloud, restart the device, and check available storage. That sequence usually resolves most issues, so you can get back to focused study quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.